Hello and welcome to this new Leathercraft Academy tutorial. Today we're gonna do this leather project, which is a coin pouch involving a lot of folding. We did one similar project in the past and I will put the link in the description. Let's get started. I'm starting to cut the leather using the acrylic pattern that you will also be able to purchase if you want as a PDF version. I am using a regular utility knife and the leather I have chosen is a 1.2mm veg tan leather. I need veg tan leather because I'm going to use water to make the leather pliable and do all the folding stuff that we'll need to do later. I wanted to show you how to apply the leather dye, but unfortunately I lost part of the footage. I am basically using a piece of foam and applying the dye on both sides of the leather. I'm now using my creasing iron, which is from Regat, but you could use any kind of creasing iron as I am using it totally cold. Using the acrylic pattern and a scratch hole, I am gently marking the leather. These marks will be needed later for the folding process. Now with a sponge, I apply some water on the grain side and also on the flesh side to make the leather as soft as possible. I'm now marking the fold that we just did manually with a hammer. This will be the bottom of the coin pouch. I'm now marking the flesh side of the leather like we just did on the grain side. With a folding bone and a ruler, I am deeply marking that diagonal line going from the mark to the corner of the leather parts. With a hammer, I am breaking these two folds newly created with the bone and the ruler. And I'm trying to get both folds to be perfectly symmetrical. I am now trying to fold these two kind of beaks toward the inside, and my guide is the outer line of the flap. I do not want to create any angle, but I just want to get a straight line. The outer line of the flap and the side should be a straight line. Once you are happy with the result, hammer it and do the exact same folding on the other side of the coin pouch. I am now using a 3mm sponge, and as a closure system I will be using a collar studs. You can of course use a snap button if you prefer. I'm now using water again as I want to soften the leather a little bit more and use my creasing iron to mark even deeper the folds on the bottom and the side of the coin pouch. I'm now using some Famaco Durbin wax, which is basically some kind of grease. It is not so waxy. It will nourish the leather and give it a little bit of shine, but not too much. If you're interested, you can get this template and many others as a PDF or as an acrylic version in our store, which is amleathercraft.com. We are also making very cool leather stamps, so don't hesitate to email us if you have any inquiries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got so many other cool videos online. Thank you for watching and happy crafting.